Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take background blurred image in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First of all, open camera in your phone and here you have to select portrait and then start capturing image. See here, I capture this image. Effects ready, just click it and I take another image. When it shows effect ready, just press shutter button. Okay, yes. Now open the picture that I took. See here, subject is clear and background is blurred. Okay, see here, this candy is the subject and background is blurred. See the first picture, background is blurred. Okay, so in this way you can easily take background blurred image using your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.